Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, I'm back with another speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus Realme X1 Max device. Let's see which phone can actually open these applications and these games faster and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. And let me try to tell about the specifications about these both phones. The Realme GT Master Edition comes with the Snapdragon 778G processor and the Realme X1 Max comes with the Dimensity 1200 chipset and 8GB RAM variant and 6GB RAM variant, and I did use the extended RAM capabilities during this process of demonstration, so that's another thing which I thought of mentioning to you. And let's see which phone can actually open these games and applications faster. And right now you can see the reboot is slightly happening fast in the Realme GT Master Edition than the Realme X1 Max in terms of the reboot test. You can clearly see. So till my Realme X1 Max did not receive any kind of update A.19, I did not get that. So first phone to boot up is the Realme GT Master Edition. Now let's go to the Wi-Fi connection, and I need to show you exactly which Wi-Fi connection right now I'm connecting, because few applications they require the Wi-Fi connection, that's the reason. And is a Wi-Fi 5 GHz. So both phones are connected to the 5 GHz network, as you can clearly see. That's kind of perfect. And all the apps are completely clean from the background, nothing is running in the background, and you can see the RAM availability, how much it is between both phones, perfectly done. And here comes all application, and let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. Let's see how much difference will it be there. Sorry, I need to close that window. I need to close that. Yes, let's start again. So Snapdragon 778G and the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and there is the Amazon application. You can see the slightly faster loading speeds in the Realme X1 Max, just a little bit, but not a huge difference, I would say. Just a little bit difference is there, not a much. And I'm trying to keep this in the background RAM management. And next is a Flipkart. Both phones not bad in terms of loading speed. You can see how they are loading in terms of the loading speed. So you can see slightly kind of faster in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is another fast application which I'm trying to use, and both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I think the Realme X1 Max is not giving any kind of Wi-Fi to the Realme GT Master Edition, because right now it's loading and the Realme X1 Max is taking the speed. As soon as the Realme X1 Max stop, Realme GT got the speed. So that's not a big deal, but anyway, you're getting the similar kind of speeds. Slightly kind of close, but not bad. I'll try to keep this in the background RAM management. That's the reason, and let's try. Yes. Now the games. So these are very small games. I did not include any kind of big games because I just want to start the speed test starting with the very small games, and later I'll try to increase the dose one by one. Then we can actually understand what is happening between both phones. Sometimes what happens is that the game space I did turn on, but sometimes you won't be able to see the game space in the Realme X1 Max. You won't get that kind of animation. Sometimes it happens. Next is a Subway Surf game. Let's see Subway Surf game, which one can actually open faster. I think the Realme X1 Max can open faster, I think so, but let's see. Not bad. So both are kind of very close to each other in the Subway Surf game, very close. So next is the Temple Run. Let's see in the Temple Run, the Realme X1 Max did open the game fast. As you can, it's clearly visible right now. So Realme X1 Max did open the faster. So this is just a small games only, friends. Next time I'll try to start with the Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty game, Asphalt 9 game. The dose will increase. So in the speed test, the Realme X1 Max completely destroyed the Realme GT Master Edition at this moment. You can see the speeds, how they are. So Angry Birds, it's kind of taking some time, but the first phone to open that home page is slightly, I think, the Realme GT Master Edition maybe. Yes, the Realme GT Master Edition, shockingly, it did perform slightly kind of faster than the Realme X1 Max, not bad. And I just need a couple of days, maybe 2 days to understand what is happening with this phone. Minimum 2 days, because within 2 days I'll definitely get that kind of initial impressions. Is it phone is kind of worth to buy or not? That's another main point. And now let me show you what is the RAM availability between both phones. Available RAM is 2.43 and 1.72 available of the RAM. And all the apps are completely open similarly in both phones, exactly as it is. Now let's come from the back side. Let's see how many games and applications will be there in the background RAM management. And Candy Crush, yes, Candy Crush is there. Temple Run also there, not an issue. Subway Surf also there, yes. But let's see the fifth game, which is a Stake Ball, which is present here in the Stake Ball in the multitasking menu. And let's start 1, 2, 3. So Stake Ball is in the RAM management in the Realme X1 Max, but it's not there in the Realme GT Master Edition. I can totally understand that. So 4 games the phone did store. And next is a Play Store. Let's see the Play Store. Play Store, no issues. Both were able to keep it. And next is a fast application. Fast, not bad. So both phones completely went to the home screen only. They did not have in the background RAM management at all. And next is a Flipkart. I did keep these both phones ready in the Flipkart, and both are completely there exactly. Not bad. So that's kind of good. And next is a Amazon application. Let's see the Amazon application. I think both phones they did go back. I think only the Realme GT went to the home screen. The Realme X1 Max did remain exactly as it is. Not a problem. Finally is the Google Chrome application. Let's start the Google Chrome application. Both phones are loading the Google Chrome. Not bad. So all friends, in the speed test and the RAM management test, slightly the Realme X1 Max is slightly better in the speed test. You can consider the speed test as well. And I did turn on the external RAM capabilities in the Realme GT Master Edition. At this moment you can clearly see not a huge difference, but still. So in terms of the speed test, the Dimensity 1200 was able to slightly open faster. I need to try the big games, Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty, Free Fire and other Asphalt 9, those games. Then we'll be able to understand slightly more better about this Realme GT Master Edition. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. I'll illustrate for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.